Geography and the early Greeks. Geography shapes Greek civilization. The Greeks lived on rocky, mountainous land surrounded by water. The mainland of Greece is a peninsula, an area of land that is surrounded on three sides by water. But the Greek peninsula is very irregular of smaller peninsulas. The land and sea intertwine like your hand and fingers in a bowl of water. In addition, there are many islands. Look at the map of Greece and notice the rugged coastlines. In your mind, picture those peninsulas and islands dominated by mountains that run along almost to the sea, just a few small for farming and villages. Now you have an imagine of Greece, a land where one of the world's greatest civilizations developed. Mountains and settlements. Because mountains cover much of Greece, there are few flat areas of farmland. People settled in those flat areas along the coast and in river valleys. These lived in villages and towns spread by mountains and seas. Travel across the mountain and seas was difficult, so communities were isolated from one another. As a result, the people created their own governments and way of life. Even though they spoke the same language, Greek communities saw themselves as separate countries. Ships and seas and ships. Since travel inland across the log mountains was so difficult, the early Greeks turned to the seas. On the south was the huge Mediterranean Sea. To the west was the Ionian Sea, and the east was the Aegean Sea. It's not surprising that the early Greeks used the sea as a source for food and as a way of trading with other communities. The Greeks became skilled shipbuilders and sailors. The ships sailed to Asia Minor, present-day Turkey, to Egypt, and to the islands of Mediterranean and Aegean seas. As they traveled around the seas, they found sources of food and other products they needed. They also changed the ideas with other cultures.